So I'm going to run through some more tricks with the spline tool, but to do this we're going to need to make sure that we have the correct view set up in the grid. So if I just press G now to get the grid up, you can see that it appears down here, and I actually want it to appear in the left viewport, so I can't just press left. You have to actually directly set it. So if I'm in perspective mode, I need to change either by clicking on here, choosing L, or just by pressing L. So now I've got the grid in view. I can toggle the grid with G, and I can start drawing out some spline shapes. Now, so I can do this in view like this, and you can see that I've got enable viewport and render turned on. But actually what I want to do is like use this grid to help me align everything. So if I click on this, I've got the snaps. Right click on there to get my snaps dialog up, and then I've got various options here. So I'm going to just turn it off, everything apart from this, which is that option, which is snap to grid points. So now you can see that I've got snap enabled, and there's a yellow icon, and it's snapping to these grids here. Now I can just draw out a line, and I'm just clicking and letting go, and I can right click and keep going, and it will make a new spline with each click. I can also now go into the spline sub-object mode. So if I go down here, and I can create a line here, and this will actually add additional splines into this shape, so I'll get new segments all incorporated into the same shape like this. Now it's useful, so now I can just toggle snap off, and I could say attach those other shapes together if I wanted to do it like that, and then enable in viewport and renderer, and I've already got my rectangular cross section enabled, so I get a nice sort of art deco kind of style shape. Now then, there are various other options. It's worth keeping them off just to do this technique. And now one last thing about the spline is, so if I create a new thing, it's worth bearing in mind that when you start creating a line, snaps on again, if I click and drag, then it's going to create a smooth point. So now when I move over here, I get that. So let's turn off that, and you can see if I go into here, I've now got a Bezier handle created automatically in that one, because I just clicked and let go, it's just got a point.